Good day everyone, welcome to the class orientation for Physics 131 with the course title Physics for Engineers 1. So today, ang pag-uusapan po natin will be all about the course description, course objectives, course requirements, at yung evaluation scheme or yung grading system natin sa subject na ito. And most importantly, we will also be talking about the class policies. By the way, my name is Sir Ace Buasejo, and I will be your teacher or instructor in this subject. So without any further ado, let us begin. This course is intended for learning the fundamental knowledge in physics which will lead you or will help you to understand the basic concepts with regards to the natural law of this world. It is very important that you learn about the basic or fundamentals in physics para po mas maintindihan natin at para po maging madali po sa atin yung pag-solve ng mga problems regarding motion. So in this subject, we will be dealing with motion itself. Or pag-uusapan po natin dito, or we will be solving problems regarding mechanics. It is very important for you as engineering students to take initiative with regards to studying. Okay? In this course, magbibigay pa ako ng mga learning materials including yung modules ninyo and yung supplemental video. Doon po sa supplemental video, most of my videos will contain some examples para mas maintindihan po natin at kung paano i-apply yung mga formulas or concepts na i-discuss or na naka-layover sa module na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Now let's proceed with our course objectives or the course objectives. At the end of the course, you are expected to recognize the existing fundamental laws in physics, discuss the physical laws that underlie in certain phenomena, and lastly, solve specific problems using the knowledge learned in physics. It is very important for you to be able to solve specific problems or problems in physics because this will tell me as your instructor that you have understood the basic or the fundamentals in solving problems regarding motion or mechanics. Now let us proceed with the course requirements. So first we have your major exams. So meron po tayong ditong tatlong major examinations. And the next is yung assignments and quizzes. And then we have your active class participation at yung attendance natin dito. With regards to your grading system naman, for your attendance or class participation, that is 10%. Assignments and quizzes, that is 20%. Prelim exam, that is 20%. Midterm exam, that is 20%. And for your final examination, you have 30%, gaining a total of 100%. Now let us talk about the class policies of this subject. First, all materials uploaded to Edmodo must not be shared to other platforms. By the way, yung gagamitin nating platform dito is yung Edmodo. Doon po ako magpo-post ng mga lessons at mga videos po. And as much as possible, kagaya pa ng sabi dito, huwag po ninyong i-share kung ano man po ang mapopost sa Edmodo sa ibang platforms. That means to say, bawal po kayong mag-post sa Facebook or any other platforms. Hindi po natin gustong i-expose yung mga materials na meron po tayo sa subjects na ito or sa subject na ito. Next is, you must not post anything regarding our class to any social media platform to avoid any conflict or problem. As much as possible po, if meron po kayong concern, make sure that you keep it for yourself or we may talk about it. Wag po nating post sa social media or whatsoever. Now, you must comply all the requirements required in this course or subject. So lahat po ng i-require dito dapat nyo pong masubmit or magampanan po ninyo yung role ninyo as student. Next is, you must take all the quizzes and exams on the day it is scheduled. Bakit po kaya? It is because we have no special quizzes including major exams. Kaya as much as possible, if merong nakaset na schedule doon, meron na kaset na schedule for your exam or quizzes, you must be able to take the exam on that day. Now, we have no verification of grade. Okay, so wala akong i-entertain ng verification. So if you have some concern or problem, please visit our institution to settle it properly. So I think that would be it. So this will be the end of our class orientation. So in our next video, I will be solving some problems for lesson 1, and I will be uploading it to YouTube and share the link to Edmodo. Okay? Again, this is Physics 131, and this is Sir Ace Buaseo, your instructor in this subject. Thank you for listening. God bless.